You know what I really love? I really love when antique malls are open past 5 p.m. It's 4:45 on my first day of my epic 6-week journey across the country and back antiquing, and I am in Johnson City, Tennessee, and I have just arrived at the Village Antique and Home Decor Mall. Look at that little purse. That is so cute. At 22 though, that's probably about retail. Whoa, look at this color. It's really pretty. Ooh, and talk about fun. I love the stars on that. 35, definitely no room for me in that. I do have to say that the photos on Google really do not do the, well, Google Maps, Apple Maps. Oh my gosh, stop. This is coming with me. The photos on Apple Maps do not do this place justice at all. For $5, I'm taking this guy. How cute. And you know, I love my pink glass. It's about retail though, a little bit more than I sell those for. I actually don't feel like I have that much luck with those. This is kind of pretty. Well, this booth definitely has my attention. Let me sneak in here. Oh, I love that hat. It's a really great color. I'm seeing lots of jewelry. Nothing's really popping out at me yet. All right, but that does. There's a lot going on down at the bottom here. What are the prices like though? I don't wanna get a key if I can't see a single price in the case. That's never a good sign. I think the thing that stands out to me the most is the red, white, and blue, and I got 2 of those down the street. So since I don't see any prices, and yeah, actually I do. Oh, look at that compact though with the silhouette. How much is that? Again, no sign of a price. Never a good sign. I have to know what this is. It looks new, actually. Now that I'm getting up close, yeah, definitely new. It's kind of hilarious. Oh. Look at this fun seashell bag. I had a seashell bag that I bought at Lemoyne right before I left, and it didn't sell on its first round. Half off. Yeah, maybe. So $12.50. It's fun, but you know the problem with the one I bought was it was missing its plastic over it, and that one doesn't have any sign of it, so it makes me a little nervous. It's nice to have that plastic protecting the shells. Also, the one I bought was older than that, if I'm not mistaken. Napco, $10. I've had that one before. I really like the Texas salt and pepper shakers. Those are fun. $6 for the set. And those are older ones. Those are really fun. I think I am gonna go ahead and grab them. And then what's this little girl? Planter. She's very cute. She's got a little bit of wear. I mean, she's $9. It's a really good price, but I'm not sold. But yes, alas, the string holder, $10. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's got like almost looks like a manufacturing defect. For $10, I'm gonna take this. I've had this one a couple times, but it usually sells pretty well. I think we all know that cats are usually a pretty safe bet. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't gonna do earrings, but I'm really into the Bakelite ones, and they're only at $13. I might get in here. And what is this? It's fantastic. Unfortunately, there's no price on it. Maybe this is its tag? No. No, that's for the drawer. Dang, that's fantastic. Oh well. And then I really like the pink Fenton with the butterflies, $25. It seems very reasonable. Okay, but also speaking of reasonable, this is Fenton, and it's a really pretty Jack in the Pulpit. I wonder how much this goes for. So I do think I could make a couple bucks off of it. Just a little on the fence if I want to go ahead and spend $35. I'm not much of a ring person, but that sterling and blue topaz ring, this camera is not doing it justice. And it said $60. What? That is gorgeous. I am really into that. I feel like that's really special. Okay, but also speaking of special, what in the world? So this booth has 40% off, and there's a couple things in here that catch my attention. One is this bracelet that looks like it might be Bakelite. The other one is the clamper. I think I'm gonna get a key for both those. I also have to be thinking about my Etsy. I can't abandon it for too long. This little planter is only $6. These usually sell pretty well, and they don't sell for that much, but the fact that it's not cracked, most of the times I find them and they have hairlines. Now this is very cool. Matches holder, Japan. Love this piece. Yeah, me too. Ooh, $40 though. I can't do anything with that, unfortunately. Can we talk about how fabulous this freaking thing is? And oh my gosh, I just saw this turban. That's $60. That's super fair for a collector. I'm not sure how much room that leaves if I were to resell though. That is a really fabulous one. It looks like it's got some wear on the side. The other thing that kind of got my attention was the Sarah Coventry lime green big pin for $11. I might grab that too. What is this? Is this a coconut? Oh my gosh, look at the coconut purse. That's so much fun. I haven't had the most luck with these, but if I did, I would definitely grab that. I'm not really seeing anything else. It's just kind of standard operation down here. This is kind of nice. So I got the clamper, but unfortunately, I just don't think I can open this case without getting that. And I can't justify $25 on it. At least not for resale. What a fabulous tray. I love that, $85. What is this cool little thing? That is, I don't think it's what I think it is. I thought it was a Japan, but I think it's new. Ah, it's Precious Pooch. $5 as is. What's as is about it? Ooh, it's super cracked. That's a shame. A lot of people get this mistaken with Mr. Toodles. It's similar, but not the same. Mr. Toodles sells for a little bit more. Unfortunately, with that crack, I can't do anything with that. And I see Holt Howard, $33. That's definitely retail. And I will say the Rooster is not the best selling of the Holt Howard. I'll also say that I decided against getting in that case to see that blue topaz ring. I would not be able to get rid of that if it fit. I would definitely keep it, and I don't need it because I never wear rings. But also, look at this vanity desk. Whoa, that's pretty. And I love the pink sugar animal. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's probably a cat. I thought it was a bear at first, but its ears are too pointed. Unfortunately, it's at $35. This is interesting looking. I only have 2 aisles left to go, and I'm kind of disappointed, I can't lie. In the back of this craft booth, I have no idea how I was able to spot that from this far, but I noticed the cat squeak toy. $14.95, Ruthie Newton. It's in great condition. For a collector, that's a no-brainer, but for me at resale, I think that's about what I'd get for that after fees. Yeah, the last one I had was not as in good condition as this one, and it sold for $15. I've sold them for better condition for about $17, $18. Actually, I don't know if that's true. I think I might have even sold it for a couple bucks more, but still at $15, too close. Well, these are newer than I normally buy, but they're hilarious. Taiwan 80s, $4 each. Those are super cute. Also noticed down here, they have the seashell teapot. That's fun. I've had that one before. $4. That's such a good price. That's pretty neat. The other thing I noticed, of course, was the piggy bank. This guy is at $5. He's pretty cute. I'm kind of into the teapot, though. Especially for that price. What was it, $4? Yeah. Looks like it's in good condition too. I think I'll take that. These are made in Japan. Oh, and in case you're wondering what this is, yes, it is my new purse wallet thing. I actually got it on Etsy for a really great price. This thing is epic. Glamour Up Jewelry with a O-U-R. Glamour Up Jewelry. Etsy. So fun. This is cool. It's new, but it's cool. I thought it was wood. It's ceramic. Whoa, look at this set. 18. That is fun. Japan. I've never seen a complete set like that. Oh, I think I could still make a couple bucks off that. Maybe not enough to justify, though. That's so fun. I wish it still had its little spoon. The thing I have to take into account with something like this, paying that much for it, is it's going to cost a lot of time and material to pack it in the grand scheme of things I sell. Oh my gosh. Oh dang, you're broken. Oh, that's a shame. That is so cute. Is that Cleanser Kate? Cleanser Kate, excuse me. $26. That's not a bad price. These are usually really, really overpriced when I see them. I love this silly thing. I thought it was flocked from afar. Taiwan, 80s, $6. Very cute, but would have been better for sure if she had a flocked face. Ah, I was just about to say, I'm so disappointed this is over, but $15 cat creamer and $12 for the cat bowl with no lid. Dang, I thought it was gonna be 15 or 12 or whatever for the set. That is disappointing, because that's pretty close to what I would get for that after fees. And I love this embroidered cow pot holder. That's very cute. Oh, this one hurts though, but I've gotten very lucky today, so, and it's only the first day, let us not forget. Oh my gosh, what are these penguins? How fun. Christ. $13 for the set? Oh, that's a little close, I think. Especially because they're not in pristine condition. The two smaller ones have some paint loss. It's a happy banana stick. Or eggplant. Not sure what's going on here, but I like it. I spent $48 in there, and I'm starting to feel it, honestly. I'm getting pretty tired. I have no real accommodations for tonight. I think I'm gonna head towards Gatlinburg and just kind of pick a spot. There's a bunch of antique malls in that area I want to go to, as well as I kind of want to go to the Salt and Pepper Shaker Museum, let's be honest. So I'm about 80 miles away from there. Also, I don't even remember where I parked. It's not a good thing. I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'm not sure what the rest of the day looks like, but I'm tired. Okay, so it is officially 9:40 p.m. on day one. I did a lot to prepare for this trip. However, I did not check the weather. So note to self, next time check the weather. I've finally arrived in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I stopped for fish tacos. I got lost. I couldn't see. It was raining so hard. It's been raining so bad for hours. I mean, I was like terrified. Couldn't see the road on 81. The traffic cones that were blocking the construction were flying around. I mean, the wind was insane. It was a bad call. I pulled over one time where I could see an exit and thought, you know what, I better power through before it gets super dark. And thank goodness I did, because when it did, I was going like a cool 10 miles per hour. I got lost in Margaritaville, which is my own personal worst nightmare. And I got mediocre fish tacos, and now I'm at a Best Western. So here's to tomorrow.